YouTube, what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. Y'all know to subscribe to my Patreon. A lot of people been asking me, yo, how you start your clothing line? Yo, how you get your credit score up? Yo, how'd you repair credit? Yo, how'd you get approved for the SRT? How'd you get approved for the Malibu? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Ford? Yo, how'd you get approved for the Camry? The score up in less than 30 days. So forth. I'm doing this. I am starting my Patreon where I'll be breaking down everything I'm doing in section episodes, step by step, holding your hand along the way. Any questions or things of that nature that you want to learn, please shoot me a DM on Instagram at WaleCEO, and then subscribe to the Patreon where I'll be talking about it in more in-depth detail. It's your boy Quad, and we checking out. YouTube! What's going on, man? It's your boy Quad, and today we are reuniting with the SRT, man. I know it been some time. The last vlog y'all seen was 48 hours in Miami, which a part 2 is coming real soon. Give me like less than 14 days. This time going down there on a 2-man, so we gonna see. And then before this vlog drop, y'all gonna see a vlog rating the worst delis in Philadelphia. But man, we are reuniting with the SRT, man. It's been some time, man. The reason why I say it's been some time is because a lot of people don't know, but I blew my rear main steering. I don't know how I did it, but it happened when I was driving after work one day. I hit a pothole. I remember like it was yesterday. I hit a pothole coming home from work, and when I hit the pothole, I got home and I realized that underneath my car was slightly smoking. So I put in the shower SSV again, and it, I got it fixed. But I put in the shower SSV and I got it fixed. But I'm glad that I ain't pick it up. The car been in the shop for probably like a month, but I'm glad I ain't pick it up because before I was about to pick it up, it was like, it was leaking from the same spot, but it was a slow leak. And he was like, he want to drive it and feel like see what's going on. See, we put some of the slow leak there in there, it's going to stop. And then he did it and he said it stopped. So I just paid the car out the shop today. It's $850. I'm getting the car out the shop. That's a good thing. And then the next following week, I can pay the car note and all that. That's beside the point. So today we about to go. That's the shop, man. So I forgot to just pick up the phone and vlog. Y'all boys will vlog because I know y'all been probably like, where the fuck has the car been? He's dropping all this other content, like other than the actual car. You know what I'm saying? So we're about to go get the car now. So I'm about to shoot down west, grab Quanda, and then I'm gonna have her. Well, I don't know, bro. I just feel like who the fuck wanna? I don't know. I'm gonna shoot down west, grab Quanda. I'm gonna go up to Pittsburgh, go grab the car. And then after that, I'm going to you feel me? We'll grab the car. And then tomorrow, Monday, I got work that night. So I'm gonna do a little POV on the way to work type shit. You feel me? And it's just so much shit I gotta do, bro. Like I gotta get this channel back on track as far as like dropping. I mean, y'all haven't seen me drop. I think I ain't dropped in like 19 days. So that's almost like, I don't know. That's the time. So I'm gonna drop the daily vlog. The daily easy on this week. Boom. And I'm gonna drop a POV reuniting with the SRT, man. So y'all boys stay tuned, man. You feel me? Hopefully this shit don't go wrong again. Like one thing about this SRT that a lot of people don't understand is, since I got this car, bro, it been in and out of the shop. Luckily, I felt SSV and he been doing some great work on my car. It's just this time around, life happened, bills happened, yada, yada, you know what I'm saying? So, like, I couldn't get out as fast as I usually do. Usually, my top is a week, my car been in the shop for a week, I get it right out. But this time around, man, I had to pay rent, I had to pay my light bill, water bill, car note on my Malibu, credit card down. So, it was like, I had a more of a important of it than, like, going to get that car. Like, I still got the stuff I got to catch up on, but the lifestyle of being a young entrepreneur and an adult is crazy, bro. Like, sometimes, like, you really got to, like, sacrifice in order to get what you need to get done. Y'all bear with me. Pumping content out, man. I'm milking the shop this whole week. POVs, installation videos. I'm going to show y'all, too, while I'm at my mom's spot. I'm going to show you what we doing. So, if you don't know, I got my SRT rims in the basement, and basically, we're gonna be painting them bronze. So, what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be taking the sketch off the SRT, and then we're gonna be taking the sketch off the SRT, and get this troublemaker away from me, man. I'm gonna be taking the SRT rims out the basement. I'm about to show y'all them. And we're gonna be putting, let's show y'all what we got planned so far. And these are the original SRT rims. If y'all didn't know. So basically, I'm about to take the original SRT rim, throw 315 in the back, and then 305 in the front to make them a wide, chunky rim. And then I'm gonna do bronze. I'm wrapping them bronze. So I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or tomorrow, but I gotta bring y'all some type of content, man. So basically, what we doing with the SRT is we're gonna be bringing y'all a new video every week of what we doing. Cause right now, bro, I just feel like I had the car for about a month, and it's all I really did to it was tint. So we're gonna be taking a lot, like literally, I'm gonna be doing all the small mods leading up to the big mods. So this week we doing the rims, and we're looking for a Challenger dashboard out of a Hellcat. The reason why I was looking for the Challenger dashboard out of a Hellcat because I like the dashboard better. So we're gonna be changing the dashboard out of SRT. So man, not to tuck your head off, I'm gonna hit y'all up in the car, on the way to the car, to get the car, and then I'm gonna be driving the daily to get the car. But I'm gonna let y'all know too, the Malibu will be going on the channel. I'm gonna show y'all glimpses of the Malibu, and then I'm gonna get it off the channel. November, we're training it out. We don't know if we're gonna be getting a BMW truck, or we don't know if we're gonna get we don't know if we're getting a BMW truck or AMG, but we're gonna be training the Malibu out for something fire. I'm just bringing about content on this YouTube, man. So with that being said, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the like button on the video. We are about to go grab the SRT at the shop, man. And what y'all gotta say?
Stop telling people your business, free.
What you gotta say? This dog, troublemaker. The dog dropped on the floor. He did it. The nigga got mad at me. He said, give me my dog. You too. What's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. We are back in the daily, man. We are on our way to the spot because we gotta go pick up the SRT, man. I haven't had that car in about a month. Fire trucks, man. Shit be frying me. So we're about to go. We're taking the daily right now. I'm gonna spin it around because the light is blinding me, type shit. So we're driving the daily to the spot, man. We better go pick up the charger, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not so this to my mom when she say like I need to start getting some sleep, because I ain't gonna lie, I am tired of this shit. Like I don't know why my body and my mind, and I just been feeling real tired lately. Like, so I don't know, like I need to listen to Ron because I've been feeling like real tired, like I've been feeling real drained. Just from people, places, and things, but man, the show must not over, man. I can't leave that car there any longer. Bring that shit back on the parking. I'm gonna start driving on 40 again, you feel me? Yeah, bro, I just paid $850 to get this off the shop. I'm not driving that shit until probably October. You know what I'm saying? But y'all gotta stay tuned, man. We got so much shit in the store, bro. So much shit in the store. So with that being said, man, we're on our way to the spot, like I said. Driving that daily. Daily a little dirty as shit right now. All my cars really dirty as shit right now. I'm not gonna lie. All my cars need cleaning. This shit's bad. Like, I'll be hopping in the car and like, you know it's bad. Look how dirty that shit is, bro. I gotta really clean my shit, bro. But look, you know what I'm saying? Like, look how, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's so much shit, bro, but I gotta get done. But I gotta find the time to, bro. But I'm on my way to the spot, man, so I'm gonna pick y'all up when I get to the charger, because I gotta preserve some energy, man. I'll probably take a nap on the way up there at Quantum Drive, and I'll just take a nap because, like, I gotta get some sleep so I can have some energy to record, and I gotta bark that bitch back home type shit, you feel me? Because I ain't about to, you know what I'm saying? I'm not about to be vlogging myself up, and I'm probably just doing a little POV, a night POV from all the way up there, back to the crib, bring that shit home, park it up type shit, you feel me? I don't know, this car a little bit too smack to go out there as far as tent. I don't know what we're gonna take. I don't know if we're gonna take the Ford or we're gonna take this, but I get something to eat in me as well, so we gonna see, man. It's your boy Quad. So I was to pick y'all up when I get in the car, which I did. I picked y'all up when I got in the car. So I'm gonna pick y'all boys up when I get up there, get to the car. I just gotta, like, I don't don't know. I just really gotta give myself energy. I just gotta give myself some energy because, like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm tired of shit. Like, working, bro. Working to achieve your goals probably be like the hardest shit to do because it's like every time you hit a milestone, there's always a new one that's created. So you gotta keep going. Just gotta keep going. So, with that being said, man, make sure you like and subscribe, man. We are actually on our way to go get it. And yeah, man. Y'all boys stay tuned. Y'all stay locked in. It's your boy Quad. Check it out. And we are back. So we just picked up the SRT, man. It is about like 10 o'clock at night. I'm extremely tired. We got her in the background, pump it up. You feel me? Pump it up. But there's so much stuff I gotta do with this car, bro. I'm gonna debadge it in the morning when I wake up. And I'm ordering the logos offline. I'm gonna debadge it. Take the 6.4 Hemi off. Take the SRT emblem off. Take the SRT emblem off. Take the SRT emblem off. Take the scat rims off. Post them up for sale. Sell them for about like $800. Put my SRT rims back on. Wrap them bronze. And then I got yeah, so I'm gonna post these up when I take them off tomorrow, clean them, post them up on Facebook Market for $800. Somebody come grab these motherfuckers, man. They got 315s in the back, 305 in the front. I think that's a cop. Yeah, man. So y'all boys come grab these rims. It's your boy Quad. I'm extremely fucking tired. And I'm gonna catch y'all. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let me do a cool start. I didn't do a cool start in so long. Turn the camera around. $50. I'm almost at a full tank. But I'm catch y'all boys. Ooh, what's going on, man? It's your boy Quad. I'm back at it again, man. I couldn't finish my vlog because the night that y'all seeing in this video that now I got arrested. I really can't talk about it online because there's an open investigation in the case. Like, anything I can say can't harm me. So, like, but you know, y'all boys innocent. Always walk with faith and walk with God. But we on our way to my mom's spot, man. I'm talking to my family, have a meeting with my family. Just how we gonna move and step forward going forward. Yes, the SRT, man, we did get the big bull back. It's so crazy, man. We finally got the big bull back, big bird back. We got somebody on the road that got an SRT now right behind him. But some cops right here. These cops. But yeah, man. We're on our way to the spot. So y'all stay tuned, man. I know I just got a wake up face. It's a shock face. My face got, I'm gonna give my face some unshocked, man, because I ain't gonna lie, my face been like this for a couple days now. My face definitely been like this for a couple days now. It's been like a real shocker, like, I don't know how to explain it. But, yeah, man, shit crazy. Shit definitely crazy. It's crazy how life works, but, hey, man, just thankful to be outside. I'm thankful to be able to wear clothes that smell good, and I'm thankful to be able to breathe and not be able to be in a room that got 4 white walls and a brick seat that you gotta sit on. I'm just real thankful. Like, I'm real thankful. Like, I'm treating it real differently. Like, I offered a lot the whole time in that joint. Like, shit was crazy. But yeah, man, I'm on my way to my mom's spot. Talk to my little brother, talk to my grandma and them, thank them, you know what I mean? Let them know like what I can give for them in return. Yeah, man, it's just a lot, man. It's just a lot. So y'all stay locked in, y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. Moving forward, I'm really gonna be pressing y'all about subscribing to the channel, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel because guess what? From y'all subscribing and y'all liking, that's free, which is free. It's gonna help me generate capital where I can start doing stuff to make sure I can cushion myself and cushion y'all. Like this SRT, I want to give it away to a lucky subscriber. But in order to do that, I gotta get more subscribers so I can get the one that's right here, like in front of me. I'm gonna show y'all. There's one right here in front of me, the SRT Jeep. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking to get. But I want to get this away to one of y'all guys. But y'all gotta subscribe to the channel, man. I can't give nothing away without having some type of support base where I know, like, all right, getting this new truck is gonna be on me, but getting this off is gonna be on y'all. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff I gotta do today, man. Like, later on, go get my hair braided. You feel me? Like, I just gotta look fresh at all times. Like, but yeah, man, there's so much stuff I gotta do, man. But like I said, make sure I like, comment, subscribe to the channel, man. It's your boy Quad. I'm gonna pick y'all up and I'm on my way to my, well, when I'm like in front of my grandma's door. I'm not gonna get no POVs and listen to Little Boat. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get y'all like a little POV later on in this video, in this vlog. It's gonna be a little POV. But right now it's like a little daily vlog. What's going on? Right now it's 8:44. I just woke up. I'm trying to just basically put parts together and be a mastermind. So where's the, like, you know what I mean? I can have shit put together already. So that's just what I'm doing. So it's your boy Quad. It's your boy Quad. Check it out.